Tired of the same boring steak dinners year after year? Well, come on in the kitchen. Let me show you how to make this delicious glazed lamb and shrimp dinner recipe. Alright, let's start by making some mashed potatoes. I'm using red and yellow potatoes. I added some garlic, salt, give it a little stir, and let it boil until tender. Once tender, you want to get in with a masher and just mash to the consistency that you desire. I added some butter, then in with some half and half, milk and cream, some seasoning, give that a stir, and then I added some fresh parsley for garnish, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. Now let's prepare our vegetables. To a pot of water, I added some salt, then in with some carrots and green beans. You want to blanch this for about 5 minutes, then drain and set aside. To a skillet, I added some butter. Once that melts, we will come in with some grated garlic. Give that a real good stir and allow it to go for about a minute, then in with some seasoning. Give that a real good toss, and then we'll come in with our blanched vegetables. Toss that well, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple, guys. Cooking does not have to be complicated. So for the entree, we'll be doing some lamb shoulder and some shrimp. Both are already washed. And for the lamb, I'll be using some cumin, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, sazon, and some paprika. So basically, I added a little oil to the lamb, and I went in and just combined my seasoning so I can get an even distribution onto the lamb. Once that is done, you want to coat the lamb really well, then get in with your hands and make sure the seasonings are, nicely massaged into the lamb. Once you're done, you want to allow it to sit and marinate for about an hour. Now for the shrimp, I added a little oil, garlic and onion powder, Old Bay, and black pepper. What I did was place the shrimp onto some skewers and then place it into a skillet with oil and cook it for about 2 minutes, 1 minute per side. Once that is done, you want to just remove it and set aside. Super simple. Here to the same skillet, I added a little more oil and in with our lamb shoulder. You want to cook these to your desired doneness. I like mine medium, so I cook it for about 4 minutes per side, and it was perfect. Once it is done, you want to remove, set aside, and carry on with the next. Now let's make a quick glaze for the lamb. Here I will use some Hennessy. You don't have to use Hennessy, you can omit if you like. But this here is Valentine's Day, so you know what's about to go down after this dinner. Once the Hennessy is added, we will come in with some beef broth. Then we will add a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce, and some honey. Give everything a real good stir and allow it to come up to a simmer before we use some cornstarch to thicken. So here I will add my cornstarch. Let that go until it thickens, and then you will introduce your lamb back into the pot. You will just allow these to go for about a minute or so per side, and that's basically it, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. Like I said, cooking does not have to be complicated. So now let's plate everything up and show the finished product. And here you have it, my version of a super simple but yet delicious Valentine's Day dinner idea. We have lamb, mashed potatoes, some shrimp, and some vegetables. It was chef's kiss. Give the recipe a try. Let me know what you guys think. I leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.